हाय एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ गोपाल पाटीदार एंड आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एनालिटिक्स फॉर बिग डाटा इस स्मार्ट हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम. लेट्स गो स्टार्ट. And the healthcare industry is undergoing a digital transformations, leveraging big data to improve patient care, optimize resources allocation, and drive innovations. Okay, analytics for big data in smart healthcare system means we discuss about the what we use big data in smart healthcare system. हम बिग डाटा का इस्तेमाल हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम में कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं, मीन्स हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम में कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो चलो देखते हैं. इंट्रोडक्शन टू बिग डाटा इन हेल्थ केयर. देयर इज अ 4 point of a volume, a variety, a velocity, and veracity. The first is volume. A hospital generates massive volume of data from electronic health records, medical devices, and patient interactions. Okay. And second point is variety. The healthcare data comes in the diverse formats, including structured data, unstructured, and text, images, and sensor readings, etc. etc. And third point is velocity. The data is generated in real time, requiring rapid processing and analysis to support timely decision making. In velocity, the data is generated in real time, requiring rapid processing and analysis to support timely decision making. Okay. In veracity, the accuracy and reliability of data are crucial for drawing meaningful insights and making sound clinical decisions. Okay, there is a 4 point of introduction for big data. Okay, now challenges of traditional analytics in healthcare. हम देखेंगे अब कि चैलेंजेस क्या क्या है ट्रेडिशनल एनालिटिक हेल्थ केयर में. चैलेंजेस क्या क्या आते हैं. फर्स्ट इज डाटा silos, and second is limited discoverability, and third is lack of real time insights. Okay, तो फर्स्ट देखते हैं अपन. डाटा इज often fragmented across different departments and systems, making it difficult to integrate and analyze. In data silos, in data silos क्या होता है कि डिफरेंट डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं हॉस्पिटल में एंड सिस्टम्स होते हैं. To making a integrate of all data and analyze them is a difficult for analyze. Okay. Now limited scalability. Traditional tools struggle to handle the massive volume and velocity of healthcare data, hindering efficient analysis. Okay. Limited scalability means limited लिमिटेड ट्रेडिशनल टूल्स मीन्स अपने पास लिमिटेड टूल्स है ना, एडवांस टूल्स नहीं है. इसके लिए अपन को उसके लिए भी एक चैलेंजेस फेस करना पड़ता है. नाउ लैक ऑफ रियल टाइम इंसाइट्स. A traditional method often rely on batch processing, delaying insight and hindering timely responses to patient needs. Means the patient needs timely response, but this is not possible for this time. It is a challenge of now. Okay, benefits of advanced analytics for smart healthcare. In this also have 4 points. It's personalized care, disease predictions, resource optimizations, clinical decision support. First is analytics can tailor treatment plans and interventions based on individual patient characteristics and preference. Okay. Disease predictions. Predictive models can identify patients at risk of developing certain diseases, enabling early interventions and improve outcomes. Okay. Second is resource optimization. Analytics can optimize resource allocation, reducing costs, and improving efficiency in healthcare operations. Clinical decision support means analytics provides insights that support clinical decision-making, leading to better patient diagnosis and treatment plans. मीन्स पेशेंट के लिए अच्छा से अच्छा प्लान बन सके, उसकी डायग्नोसिस, मेडिसिन, इट्स वेरी efficient. Okay. Now, key data resources and data integrations. Data resources mean electronic health records, centralized patient record containing demographic information, medical history, and treatment data. Okay. And second is the medical devices, sensors and monitoring equipment that capture real-time physiological data such as heart rate, blood pressures, and glucose levels. Okay. Now third is wearable devices, fitness trackers, and smartwatches that collect data on activity levels, sleep patterns, and vital signs. Means smartwatch tracks we collect data from our body on behalf of activities. That's is wearable devices used for collect data. Okay. Predictive modeling and forecasting. Identify risk factor, develop predictive models, and early interventions. Okay. Analyzing historical data to identify factors associated with disease development such as age, genetics, and lifestyles, and develop predictive models. In this, create statistical models that predict the likelihood of a patient developing a specific disease or expressing an adverse event. Okay. Early interventions using predictions to protective identify and intervene with patients at risk, reducing disease severity and improving outcomes. Okay. So in this predictive modeling and forecasting, in this we have 3 points. First, the identify risk factors. In this, identify the factors of risk. What factors of risk we this identify, such as age, genetics, and lifestyles. Okay. In second, develop predictive models. We want to develop a predictive models that predict the specific diseases experiencing an adverse events and early interventions. In this, using predictions to protectively identify and intervene with patient at risk, reducing disease severity and improving outcomes. And next is prescriptive analytics and optimized decision making. Data analysis analyze data to identify patterns and trends that influence patient outcome and resource utilizations. And second is decision support. In this, providing actionable insights and recommendations to guide clinical decision making and optimize resource allocations. Okay, the first is data analysis and second is decision support. Now next is conclusion and future outlooks. Big data analysis is transforming healthcare by enabling personalized care, disease predictions, and resource optimizations. The future holds promise for further advancements and in AI-powered diagnostics, predictive modeling, and personalized medicine. The whole pro- now we discuss about the data analysis data to identify patterns and trends that influence patients' outcomes and resource of utilizations. Okay, providing actionable insights and recommendations to guide clinical decision making and optimize resources allocations. Decision support. So there is a 2 point data analysis and decision support. Okay, now we recall the predictive modeling and forecasting. In this, we have also 3 points. You know about this: identify risk factors, develop predictive models, early interventions. Okay, you write this, and key data resources and data integrations. There are the electronic health records, medical devices, wearable devices, benefits of advanced analytics for smart healthcare, personalized care, disease predictions, resource optimization, clinical decision support, and the challenges. We also three type of challenges like data silos, limited discoverability, lack of real-time insight, and introduction the four type of volume, variety, velocity, veracity. That's all about of healthcare, smart healthcare. Okay, now you understand, guys. Okay, thank you, guys.